Anti-right Justice Penyah Enoch Majimedra. Maybe you can say more. The beef between Okatakyie Mensah Bonso and Kevin called Bedu Taylor. Omo nyobi abo supplement any gumbi. Obi abema counter defense. On say Kevin Taylor ebe threate. Okatakyie Mensah we say obejia di be free one eye special. Na sa je obeje no. In fact, Okatakyie Afrifa na ni anyi wiase biem. Sa de na okan no. Afrifa abra reply to that. Na omumienu in fact obia throw shade obia bogumbi any supplement actually no yonko na memo I have couples of videos from these two parties, from these two people. No one can say make a judgment. I have Penyah block media message any demo over like video no na download over subscribe button and snap click the question na latest updates na ba chere wadwe area mama e wo comment section any demo e no share video na ma onu aso enya bi ahwe bomodi answer over subscribe to channel. Let's build a family together. Eti Ghana ha ye pe beef a eye generational beef beef on even atemu mukura no gise nyame oda abofo mu ode ne mu separate sankofo menu we a the beef between Afrifa and Kevin Taylor. Say beef we minim adam to call we to betwa abeye generational beef over the week mono Kevin Taylor wa twagina Williams and Nefiso pa so you be out a journal live stream and say the live stream biano o twasi Williams and Nefi so chirema Williams and Nefi or your cromfo or your froster certificate bia one who bia a fake a forgery or no a forgery be bia as a Kevin Taylor abrena brenyan obe fire no ebe expose no na o hia ens e come here say Anefi any Afrifa omu was some connection bi edi ho bufuo ana Kevin Taylor ebe tc Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah bonzi so and we say Afrifa who still the way kra no how the year they do minimum almost be amount. They even NDC for corner sponsor with this particular studio.
I know so many things in Ghana. I know the people who gave you money for that thing you have built. 3 people, back with NDC or 10 and 2 NPP people, they gave you money. And you be from Omokra Brom once woman minimum. Whoa. So sometimes I watch you people and I laugh. How they now with you know? Now did you producers attempt? Boys don't do it, you know. Papa I'm telling you. Come in a deal do it, and cramine. And then when Makota, you don't even understand what you are doing. You think video card and about production, and also how much resource do you have? Do you even understand what you are doing? Or sound they said you're chance in time. You know, I can direct you how to even make what you are doing solid. Just part the room well. Make sure you have enough resource. And that video card can see and make sure you have good sound. How much resource do you have? The room you sit in, what the TV are telling you to say studio. Do you know how much investment goes into this? That is why there's a difference between my production and majority of the productions you watch. You think it's a joke? It is not. You don't understand what you are doing. What the studio Kasadi said, the chance in you think it's a joke? We started from somewhere. We worked so hard to get to this quality. We worked so hard. It involves a lot of sacrifice and a lot of commitment and truth. You can't just sit behind the mic and think, say, you need to have knowledge about everything in your studio. Where Jimmy, you are a kid with a small dick with a weak heart. 19-year-old. I'll be back.
Obi studio will be no Kevin Taylor say who need 1,000 and this if need be crown and sponsor this particular studio with him no e junior bro once na penny for system ni mu ebufuo mu ana Kevin Taylor ekoyi atum say Okatakyie virginal honto nyina ne bema say kitikiti
shown we na this boy called the small dick Kwame Afrifa. Very small dick boy. Kotitietia Brent here, na adwini sa 37-year-old or 38-year-old kid. Osakra.
Say kete na Kevin Taylor ko hu ne henefa. Onye oba na say ke bia oba wa kotra ya. Oye bema. Na oye bema ko hu ne bema o hene. Wo ya asem ze be. Ebufuo mu just even MPP for na ewo Kevin Taylor live streaming so ehwe bi kra no or pambo mu nyina so bi avana
The YouTube MPP for most move free so munko nenka 2000 munyina move free so hi munko move free onko Loud Silence TV Facebook MPP for munyina move free so munko kwasiafo move free move fin munko mo bia anka ha ya bese ka nipa 2000 pe because we bese nipa 2000 pe hwe me MPP for mo me platforms munyina move free onko ejimi for kai move fin munyina move free Facebook ni YouTube munko move free ha me pese ka nipa 1000 pe me pe nipa 1000 pe e Facebook ni YouTube me pe more than 1000 munyina move free onko MPP for move free ha hi munko moi I don't need you here. I'm talking to real Ghanaians. I'm not talking to pigs. Move free. I don't need the numbers. I don't want the numbers. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, MPP for munko move free. Hey, me kwa ko bonyo move free anko munko. I'll be back.
Obia fana se funko. Ni MPP ni jese Kevin Taylor. Jese oni MPP for ton kwanta in fact uma papa lie. Oni MPP ni hwe. Wo dwa MPP bro so. Emu na Kevin Taylor ebufuo mu obetrete Okatakyie fa Mensah ese obeye na de bia in fact ni wiase obeye nyina na ni enyi biem
damo. I have opened up and I am ready for war. But there's one thing I want to tell Kwame Afrifa. I will take something precious from you. Listen to me. I will take something precious from you. And that thing I'll take from you, you will never be happy again. Kwame Afrifa, I'm saying this on my show. Obe sansio, obe nom, untumi mene. Bebesemi chire bibi wo wiase. And you understand what life is. Obe frɛ wo yere se on sansio ma wo no. Entumi ntra wo minimum.
So these are in someone Kevin Taylor ebeke kan kire Okatakyie fa Mensah bonsu. What I say obeke kan e de kire no. Na Okatakyie so ebem with the counter defense no. Eno din kan be kire Williams ana fin sensem na Kevin Taylor didi no watem no. On so ba be kire mu.
Is serious. Go be ada na yetimi beje tu mu se. See, you can see a fight corruption and its related issues. Na bram tem na tum. What? Bram tem. Na halim pesa sound near clear. No BRTV. Obi? You see a building nation. Ya chichire mine. A mine chichire no. Corruption you be fight. It is enkobi ya bonia. Obetra na so beka. Bone na nipa na ye no wa kire mrakura etia sa bone no no wa call on the state agency no ma ba no mo di sa nipa na yasa eyede ni abedru ba bia ya normalize agiatum say in fighting corruption ya de ema ebesi ho ana ho tantan why you say Jim Italian money box and oba why say bema and no about phone, no about kankai. How did we normalize that?
Oh, fire.
See, I see a fight here for corruption. Na se me kwa Afrifa na maye bibia. And yet, dear my no. For me, best one I come out somewhere. How did we get to a point here? I just say, confirm me, mame. Confirm me, papa. Confirm me, nuya. Confirm me, ma. Confirm me, yere. Ni a besiwo. Ni a dinatem. Ni a chire. Ni a yesi. How did we get there? As a means of fighting corruption.
Precisely.
How did we get there?
Ask them.
See, as a fighting of corruption, yeah, dear. A yedani ajia tu musekovi. Obi betimi abetena ho for 4 hours. Kwasia, Abua, Jimmy, Kwasia, Utikankai, moving continuously for 4 hours. And we've normalized it. And nobody sees anything wrong with it. All in the name of politics.
Exactly so.
Obi si asi achichiro my dear. then we must check all these things. I don't have a problem with anybody or so fighting my mind. That's all fighting more mind. Make a teacher Megina here, my bedi or mine is sikabi. Me do a mine position be. That day na obit me say. No one see me fighting more mind. Back at the chain Marco attack. Nimpodie. I come with a chance. I open the matama dianche. A dear chena na yere. A dear chen kurum for ne papa. But you know why? Or your political mercenary.
Precisely so.
Tienio. Or your political mercenary.
Precisely so.
It's the entity of Fauci wa. Obako Fau Mame, Befau Papa, Befau Nuya, or Yere, Oma. It's because when him said you walk and found on Yanokure. They won't so did you a winning item to Mobamwa. Oma Meno and Bacachero said you are person with Jani Jai. And what we are, yes, I deal we are for so long, and we've accepted this and on the norm. We are branching be a sword in a besi was say. A branch any year gold fraud. One and FB. And now kwani your froster. Now kwani your froster. And so when you documents about kokura chere say when a branch any dinner eko bu obi eti ye de koma Ghana police monche no besine nanim he keeps up with a story. It was shasia oh you froster I would make sure we deal with you we do that the next day no aba na ne maame or ne maame na support no or a froster or ne when him dey joy sir a branch and ex-girlfriend a minimum sa ex-girlfriend
more fire
and one girl ne jai no one girl ne jai no ne ya wonti no one na koma Kevin Taylor so wonya ne de woye no
more fire
nanim woye akola wona adwene mu nti
Sir.
wonim de enti oba attack me afeni me hunu de enti oba attack me
more fire
the same girl here can asem no ya me ex-girlfriend
more fire
it's the girl in the born the pass come after him and he came after me
more fire
not because he thought I've done anything wrong
no
a branch ordinance way so see a branch any froster a giant fraud no why so the documents are quite some jamfi na say you fake here e man say some jamfi because you ntimi no wonya adwuma and our power den be ma ora anya sa e dey na ne maame ayewo e dey na ne nua ayewo ne papa ayewo ne so ayewo and we've accepted this madness say a part of fighting corruption
For pound.
to the maame bebem o de nua bebem say be o mo hotieti wo ma no o ma frese a branch sa ade no na branch ne de bibia ba yesi e friend go soup it what the commerce have been fee na sika beba ho na girl ya ye kana asem we na wo girl na kwasa wonye clean wonye clean it girl nim say branch be na me na jai dia and na yemfa ne nkoma akwa we no go after him e dia wo ya no
afowie ye en ono so tisimu ebebo ne gumbi en ne superment en fireman
and that is in the modus operandi
More fire.
and ye nyina accept it
Pound for pound.
what you say how did we accept this a branch wait to me ba no the mercy ho and I give to a worry what say bema say give to a worry we are o mine sika me kwa Afrifa metie o suro kra so beba me manim se me ko defend no it forgive to o worry de no de waka fabra
Sir.
you don't give to other Sabema, NSS Yenu Bema, and you are sitting down because what from Mausunti, what you say you're normal, when you're normal, and you're quasiade.
More fire.
No, ya breful, no Sabema, no, I say Italian money box, not this, and we've accepted this foolishness. Say you're fighting corruption. How did it become fighting corruption? This foolishness is that how corruption is fought? And you had to go
Pound for pound.
na obi na bebo pa ababa we na no yeso wo kam se me no me na yi nadamfo bi a oye janiu wo wadamfo ne janiu na me na me ne obi nante a me nkana kira asem wo wadamfo no so janiu wo de se wa wusu no ban te se wa no de abranche ya koma no no wo huru obi ba wo
Exactly.
abranche ne nya hwe o wa bibi de ofa ne koma police ofa ne nko
More fire.
na kofi o de ba me so entron ko ase tam motime tena ho ma se be kwasiampani boy we a woni certificate bi apart from marriage certificate
Exactly.
ebe ka kire mo se me kwa Afrifa me need degree nanim wono ba odika accuse on Fahimo. No, I call us as a Yanokoda, but I bet prove it. Now call law more. Your friend be actually incubate probation. Say he who alleges must prove. He who accused must prove. It's coming who ye. Kateche certificate. Now can't the media bet you say minibi. Nemo will tran we are. No, I catch it will say. Come and prove as a certificate. Are you a fool? Maybe pay more one number penny. I tell you, accepting nonsense ways. I want Bramati hey, Kovi. Me was first degree in public administration. Me was second degree in masters in international relations as masters. I may ya law. Our Gempa. I branch away to me that man for say. Martina Gempa for 7 years. Into me, no one jedi. I'm more normal. I branch away because me repi agona mind him. I want one for police report back Okurama. Mujidi because of Unkwasi Asemunti.
Precisely so.
Because he's been sent to come after me. So he does these things. What they call Yereswa, what they call Weswa, what they call Weswa. Not just a woman na catch you saying ye Nkasa Yedi. Are you a fool? Is that how we build a nation? The modus operandi new. And people can see through it. See, I see a teacher mine. That's your baby way dear. Way near the teacher mine. And he accepted the way. So branch you and I'm a ton say man crofo na me say when me on for police report to Baku say I must say per this police report okoto asase man nipa we am ye che no it say when me on for bia ma ba wo gidi mu ye normal. How did you accept this thing as the law?
Ask them.
Obi no ana kwa Afrifa na ne kwati ewu na ne kwati ketekete ne money blow Jordan. Na wonye gay ya me kwati ewu ne ketekete ne aka wo ye nkomo
More fire.
ni atimi atena ma branch ahwene na ikoto we picture wo twa ni 2 weeks hwe ni koto dwanim wo ye wo hwe ni koto hwe ni koto dwanim kotwa etim didi obiatem Kofi well what 20 pa ho na branch yi ana me ye short ya ye wo dem he Kofi me nsuro menka me ye short na pon na e bia we pe na wachen na e ya manfo na dwene wo dwene mu a won tie ase onim se said your tie sa na describe ni ba and na no otwa ne full picture ba ni ehu yi
Fane na ne tuso.
Man gina ho no ne ehwe.
on fa ne line sa mra
Wo hwede na.
Asa bebe. More fire.
atie ben ya ne sa
More fire. Fane na se bra.
Kofi
Se no mo fa ntuso.
Le na se.
na oye otimi ye memasem ana ya to abawie me wonim se Kofi abrante we na first day ya meko eye your friend say angel the very first day I'm kodu ho no anopa ana o ma bailiff e dey court summons bi ba ye say makoka bibia tia ne papa it will mess every me wonim say funny enough 2 years ni o ma court da and no starting in kwasi asem ya and was I cause any case in yes start bi and the people believe nonsense.
More fire. More fire.
How did we get here? See ebe ma kwan mo obi di nkrofo yerenom nkrofo ma nkrofo busuafo where you fighting corruption. How did this become fighting corruption?
More fire. More fire.
Nti my yes so ne o ma say so
Da bida.
na me hunu yi ya to abawi na se wo se wo di aban aba no problem. Hey, moko we mkobo no. Moko we moko chino. Moko shiwe. Ansu meka se no ono ankasa tia buchiri. Oye coward.
More fire.
Exactly. So
Onye coward ya. Sa branche we.
fire.
Oba ye. First day oba Ghana. Otena United Airlines. Omo ya na obi liki ma me se unua na Washington ya oba. Na me say okay no problem. Now let me tell him. Oba bedu ye gate 15 omo de fine. Na me ya aware. Now just so you know that even people around you don't like what you are doing. Baby I know namu bia na me ya aware. Me the car numbers go Facebook and na me kire. O decide so obekọ aye odo na me ya aware. O decide so obekọ. Na nim one ne papa di boni bi wa aye odo oba aye. Na ma sheda na me nka ho ase. And crime has no expiring date.
Fire.
No statute of limitation on crime. Oh no, Papa. When government changes, you pay for it. Wabedi boni bi o. Oba ye ya wadi. Oma di boni bi wa ayo. And I'm aware.
More fire.
Now oba ye abranche say. Say me num obe take something precious away from me. Na me hunu say nkrofo decode say. Ye obe ye juju ni ade. Nye juju. So actually, the conversation now cost for national security. They say, "Say me ma catch a national security coordinator say, or your mama boy dia, they will come after me." Now one of the things they will do, the grace of my voice in a unique here, they will make sure they hurt my voice. It is idea no yeah. It means they will infect my throat with something just so I can't talk. The way Jiminti, okay, some children about can said one day. It was a plan of the national security. So against me. National security, me no kasa oma kwa jeme call records. Ah, omu tracking crofo, me no omu din komo every day. Tracy omu. Me awe.
More fire.
After omu wie ya, omu se me car me twie no. Omu beje car no because I was a national security coordinator ye boy. Ora Osman, woni akoma ntimi nya national security. What me for national security so we obi akurima. There are more pressing issues on national security. That borders on national security. What me for me nya yastic.
More fire.
Pa mu nkume.
More fire.
Dem asem.
More fire.
Car no ekura me no. Me nwia car. Se me wia car. Mo fa nko court. Na court meje. Ni obi aka ye me kwa Afrifa me car.
More fire.
Ana nya ban na de car ma me. Eti se mo se mo otumi a. Na se mo ya sa de we se mo be yusu force a. Me nka hwe. Na mo se de tumi no ani podua no anka na nhwe ne to no. Akufo do ATS abetwam. I can bet you honestly. One government change, obi obey sa de ni bia me I'll come after you.
Precisely. So
Yes mo kume. Some se mo nya nkwase ade ni jimi. Da bia mba pound for pound.
More fire.
Sadi Akufo do ba ye nneoma mo se mo be reset. Mo ba de mo ye worse.
exactly.
Bia nrem obi awu.
More fire.
Afa branchie say waba Ghana. Na me no a aka me ba ye no. Me ye ye friend say press conference where airport.
More fire.
Na ma to sign. Secretary Afrifa in town.
More fire.
Ashe shoe red. Any khaki. Any check. Kurasini. Wei. Abranchie wi.
On Pumbi.
Obi.
No.
Mpondwe. No wa ya waba ye.
More fire.
First no na wo betrasia aya hwe ne lakos ba ko bi blue bi wonsesa no anu atwetwe pa obi otasha pa emso okoko cinema nta de wi a oye ya ne nsa hu ahuro wonso osore ya na wa betra ho na wo ba ye ya pesi kama no onse si wo hyehyɛ lane shirt ana wato go chin kito bi ato ne ko no wa supaku so go chin
More fire.
Wagakupali
More fire.
oba na jo mama ne nem
na ɛhɔ kwa na wunua sɛ ko yatum sɛ Kevin Taylor yi kuro na mo ikura no there's a court arrest warrant on him.
but you are a fugitive of the law. Kevin Taylor.
More fire.
Precisely.
Nana adwene ye ne sɛ obetimi atena America. No what di nsemone. But ye were electronic a ho ahwan act ye di aba. And ye were Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960. Act 29. Na okọ constitution ni mu a Article 1921 and there can be said when we say criminal offense it shall be the criminal offense of Ghana which the court will have jurisdiction over it and for that matter which is outside the territorial integrity of this nation the court will not have ordinarily a jurisdiction over it. But you know something, there is a principle in law called the initiatory jurisdiction of a crime and the terminatory jurisdiction of a crime. We make a one TSM because I'm lecturing you. It is a way idea, baby. Na say you feel the impact of sad so baby. Although one yes hard no but because crime not happen the court can sit on it. Me no can say oni esankuma o twantro to esankuma so with that fact na ka wo se wo no fight for mine na so aka no kura dia ke fra court nyamrika na ade ba fatu so esankuma led by Thaddeus Sorry yes speaker lawyer names wo di nkwasesemudi odi esankuma chi na koye omokoye na ye ma full judgment fade ndra ye 2.9 million and ye award against Kevin Taylor.
More fire.
No.
Fire.
You accept this and your way. No.
Fire.
And it's a must say ye chichiro maya. And my ye did you matem na kwasia aboa na kwas no. And you say mu say odo obi amaame eba besi ho a oboa nipa ne nya hwe. Ya bone pa. Ababa wa bi ne kobo ne pa so omra after me. When him say mrantie ye ba eye angel so mba hwe me no. Sa kwa na ye. One about Mopa. After by ya what it what is it? The NTN what it is a warrant done so. Now the government doesn't want to be seen to be the one aiding him
Precisely.
in evading the warrant.
More fire. More fire.
Eti no omo didn't tell you no.
To
And you were a fugitive of the law.
More fire.
Precisely.
You were a criminal.
On him.
Now you see,
Extra.
Kevin, my menka say me say Kevin say we court warrant and so. Active court warrant and so. KK Bedu. Kebedu. Ama Bedu. Ama Kayama Taylor. Ama Taylor, my menka say munchiro.
More fire.
You mo be yenye hufo. We just don't talk. Na we abofra, we on your masa abofra. Abrante. Adru baby. Suadia kakra.
This is Okatakyie Mensah bonds or not so ne counter defense mu ensem a okaye. Kyerɛ wadwen ema me e wo comment Kevin Taylor wakotie the side of the story. Okatakyie enso abɛhyɛ no opinion. Enkofo me no we no. Who is your goat? Kyerɛ wadwen ema me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.